Hello fellow human beings and welcome in. Instead of doing another regular devlog, this time it is something special. The day starts early, the road stretches out ahead and the destination is something I've been looking forward to for weeks. We are driving a car. Right now we are on the way to the Indie GameFest, the game convention type of thing that I was talking about in my previous video. And I'm super hyped and I'm also very stressed. This was the most stressful week I had in my entire life, I would say. I was working non-stop on Echo Shred, trying to figure out how to solve most of the bugs, get the game playable so that even if you have no idea what the game is about and you have never seen it before, you can still play it and enjoy it, hopefully. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. I hope this is going to go good. And yeah, see you in the content. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That is our hotel. Yes, yes. I think I am ready. Karten? Alter, ich sollte hier nicht ohne die Karte rausgehen, ey. Ich wusste, ich habe irgendwas vergessen. Vielleicht? Das kannst du wahrscheinlich, ne?
Look at us.
Hier ist auch ein 18er Plus.
Maybe we should ask which one is ours.
Yeah, maybe we should ask. Yeah.
Riveting. This is fun.
I did it. Now, up to part 2. Unboxing keyboard 2. Electric Boogaloo. Jesus Christ. Was ist das hier? Das ist vom Monitor, oder?
Das ist vermutlich mal vom Monitor. Dieser Prüftermin.
Menu. Game. Oh Gott. Picture. Brightness. Ist schon auf 100?
Nee, hast du auch so ein Gefühl, dass das leider Delay drin ist? Ich weiß aber nicht, ich glaube, das ist nicht das Ding weg.
Von dem Monitor?
Ja.
So my moderator thinks the game has a slight delay. It says moderator right here. So he's actually a moderator. The delay is probably because of the screen. Maybe we could find some kind of gaming mode on this thing. Should maybe check that out. How's the game in general going, man?
It's better.
Better than what? Oh.
Oh!
No,
He's actually active. Oh!
Yeah, he can actually attack you. The next morning, we immediately started with preparing our booth, setting up the hardware, putting out some snacks, and of course testing out if everything works for the audience. Between the build-up and the visitors entering the place, we had a breakfast buffet where we could also socialize a bit with the other exhibitors, a great opportunity to get into touch with super cool people. And after that, the convention started. Ich sehe, du hast Tesafilm. Darf ich mir das bei dir schnorren? Du kriegst es auch zurück. Oh, ne. Dankeschön. Okay, so we're here at the booth. The convention started exactly 2 minutes ago for the press people. So whoever's working for the press or like the press industry can join now and check out all the games that are presented here. And in 1 hour, everyone can join. Like all the people, like the regular visitors are allowed to join. And I'm really excited. I have no idea who's going to come, who's going to play our game, how they are going to play our game. My game, sorry. And yeah, I'm excited. We're going to see. At first I was afraid that not too many people are going to be interested in trying out Echo Shred. That was because, yeah, I don't know, maybe some insecurities or whatever. But I was proven wrong so incredibly fast. There was almost always at least someone at my booth playing my game. Every time I had to step away a bit and I came back, someone new was sitting there. It seemed to me that pretty much everyone had fun with the game, at least no one said something otherwise, but I don't really know if people at places like that would tell that into the dev's face directly. Could be, but it didn't happen to me. What was really interesting is that a majority of the people who went into the game blindly behaved wrong at certain places in the same way. So for example, a lot of people didn't see that the red buttons at the train are actually interactable. Sometimes I even had to tell them that. And also in my first level, many people had troubles finding the entrance to the dungeon and got lost in the forest. I can't really blame them for doing anything wrong or something like that. As a developer, it is my duty to lead players in the correct direction. We didn't record any footage for the first evening. It was basically a pitch event where game devs could practice their elevator pitch in front of all the devs and also a few faces from the German game dev industry. Each pitch had a hard limit of 3 minutes, so if people didn't manage to get everything out in these 3 minutes, they are cut off. I don't think there were any real publishing deals made, as I said, entirely for practicing, but yeah, still, it was fun to see.
There's ein Startraum gespawnt. Okay. The monster spawned in the start room. First day of convention is over. I don't know how many people actually played my game. It was quite a lot. Somewhere in between, like a lot of people were at my booth. So yeah, I got a lot of feedback. A lot of things that I already knew, but also like new and fresh stuff that I haven't heard before. I make notes. Like my entire thing is full of like maybe some garbage, maybe some very valuable stuff and things like that. So yeah, I will probably share a few more details about everything later because we are actually on a tight schedule right now. We need to jump to the next event, which is starting in 15 minutes. So yeah, maybe see you there. Last day, guys. We just brought the rest to the car. We had to check out of the hotel. The convention today is going to be a bit longer. It's 9:18 right now, so we're quickly going to head to the place, have breakfast, and how long is the convention actually going to be? Until 8 or 7 again?
7 probably.
7, okay. And after this, we are going to have some kind of after show party. Which is supposed to go until 1. We're going to see how it's going to go, and I think I'm pretty happy if this whole thing is over, honestly. It was good, it is good. I hope it's going to be fun, and we're going to meet lots of new people, I think. And Lucky's going to be there. So yeah, see you guys. Oh, hier riecht's ja angenehm. Ist auch ein teures Hotel.
Jetzt Elevator Pitch. Ja, den muss ich heute noch oft genug aufsagen.
Breakfast dungeon. Ah, hot chocolate, my man.
Hot chocolate, not coffee or tea?
It's hot chocolate. It's hot chocolate, I promise you.
Okay.
Ist die Kamera ran?
Mal doch einfach schnell ein.
Yes. Huh?
Mal doch einfach schnell ein.
Ich soll kurz einen QR-Code malen. They had a brilliant idea, the guys. They printed the QR code of their Discord server on some kind of banner, and I don't really understand the whole story, but they got a lot of people on their Discord server in just one day because the QR code was on there, and I didn't do that, so my Discord server remains pretty small. Don't cut it like this, it's going to sound weird.
I really want to take the opportunity to welcome you all here. We are very happy that we have so many years already now with the Indie Game Festival.
Okay guys, preparations for the last day. I'm going to fill up these snacks. So I think it's always good to have some snacks at the booth, so people there are people. I'm going to do this if the camera. Now I'm going to do this now. Okay. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool to lure in people, but even though I don't really think it's necessary today. Yesterday was pretty crowded already, and today I've heard from some people that on the Saturday, on the second day, usually you have around, on average, 1.7 people, like as many people as on the previous day. So it's going to be a lot more crowded today. And yeah, I hope it's going to be exciting too. I'm kind of tired. And yeah, after the convention today, we have the after show party at the School of Games, I think it's called. I have absolutely no idea what I should expect, but hopefully it's going to be fun too. There are so many cool people, nice people around here. Everyone I was talking to was like amazing, honestly. Like I haven't met a single person who was not in a good mood, so it's pretty cool here, I have to say. It's pretty chill, yeah. Also, all the visitors, everyone is super duper cool, so yeah, it's going to be fun.
The event on the second day was pretty much the same as it was on the first day. On the convention, we also tried a lot of other games, games from the other developers who attended. We were able to see a lot of very interesting games, unique gameplay, very fresh ideas here and there. Some games were way further ahead than some other games maybe, and then again a few titles basically just started the development cycle. The location itself was very cool, I would say. The event also, like, I couldn't imagine it any cooler. Actually, I'm counting right now how many pages of feedback I actually got, and I wrote 12 entire pages full in my notebook, so there's plenty of stuff I can work on. Some things that I didn't really expect while the event took place was how some people reacted to the game. I think the game itself, as I presented it, was quite unfinished, and it also, at least from my perspective, felt really unfinished, but still it seemed like a lot of people were kind of scared about the monsters. Some jump scares actually worked. Yeah, as everything is procedurally generated, I cannot really tell when something is going to happen, and sometimes when nothing is going to happen. So it was very cool to see that some people actually got scared about the monsters, even though in practically you can evade them very, very easy. Like the behavior of the monsters is very predictable, so there's not a real danger. But that's, again, from a developer's perspective, I know how I programmed that, how everything's behaving, so I'm kind of biased when it comes to that.
Dann schauen wir mal, ob ich direkt in die Steam-Map geworfen werde. Das werde ich tatsächlich. Mensch, Wunderwelt der Technik.
Jesus, what the fuck did you do, man? What? This guy!
Jesus fuck.
Final day, final evening of the convention. Man, this was a ride. There were so incredibly many people playing this game. I got, yeah, I wouldn't say roasted, but so many people had very good, valuable feedback, even things, very critical things that I have not heard before. Very good. I have like a huge ton of list, My English. I have a huge list of things that I need to do. I really know now where my travel has to go, like what's missing in the game, basically. I was able to see how people play my game, and I know that I have some kind of misconceptions. I had some kind of misconceptions of how people are going to navigate, which kind of path they're going to go, how they're going to travel. It was fun to see that there was some kind of pattern, you know. So you could see between very different people that they kind of start thinking the same. So if they get lost in the game, they get lost the same way. And this kind of speaks to the level design. So the level design was probably not that good organized, I guess. So I was unintentionally leading people to the wrong direction. So this is definitely one of the learnings I got today and yesterday too. We are about to wrap everything up, so I think it was a very successful event for me, especially for when it comes to what I need to do for the game, what's going to be the next step, which way I have to go to, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We're going to the after show party now, but I'm not going to record that. I'm just going to relax. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope we see each other next time again. You can also join my Discord, and all the links you find down below in the description. And yeah, it's fun having you around. Bye bye.